As 2026 dawns, I turn my lens towards the quiet truths of the natural world, where wind speaks before words and light tells stories older than memory. I will walk slowly, film patiently, and listen deeply so that the rivers, forest, ice, and sky may speak their own unbroken language. My voice will not lead nature, but follow it, translating its stillness, its struggle, and its beauty into moments we often pass by. This year's dedication to witness the wild in its purest form, to honor what is real and untamed, and to remind us that nature is not a backdrop to our lives. It is the original storyteller.